Hi everyone! It is definitely a dream lifestyle to be working while traveling, to be exploring different destinations while not giving up on your work. And if you are planning to start your lifestyle as a digital nomad or a remote work, this video might come in handy for you. So let's start the video and shape you up to become a remote worker. I started my Upwork journey in February 2022 and I'm a top rated professional there now. Back then in February, I had made it a goal for myself that perhaps, I have to get the first job for myself in the next 3 to 4 months. I will just set up my profile, learn about this tool, how we get the jobs, how to talk to clients online and then get the first job. So that was my goal, but I was able to successfully get my first project in just 1 month. So how to get started on Upwork? You need to identify the very clear services that you can provide to the clients. So before you even create your profile, first browse through the opportunities, which opportunities are really trending, what kind of skills you would give considering those job opportunities, how you could reach out to those clients and get that job. So first do some research even before beginning to create the profile. You may be good at content writing, you may be good at video editing, you may be good at project management as well, but you need to pick one or two and then get started, because you cannot create your profile as a mix of everything, then you may not stand out as an expert. Now, based on the time that you can devote, for example, even if you're working with some other clients or some employer, if you are able to take up some responsibilities, say on the weekend or say a few hours per day, based on that, create some goals for yourself. Your first goal can be just like I had for myself, say, get the first job in the next 3 months. Keep your goals based on your availability, make sure that they are practical enough, and then go and pursue them. I would highly suggest that the first goal that you create after creating the profile should not be around money, because it is really hard to get the first job. The pool is already so competitive. You are entering a pool of other candidates as well who might already have a good profile. So do not get conscious if you have to work even under your current hourly rate. And then after that, you can slowly increase your rate as well, because then you will have more visibility on Upwork. And once you have identified your skill or your niche to get started with, then that's when you create your profile. I will show you what my Upwork profile looks like. So I have been a project manager, a product manager. Make sure you get reflected as an expert in your profile. You should mention all of the projects, successful projects that you've done in the past, any successes you have achieved, any certifications or experiences you might have, any education background that might be complementing to that certain service that you're planning to give. That is always great to add, because it adds so much credibility to your profile. Give at least a week to keep polishing your profile. Look at other successful profiles as well. See what good they are doing. Of course, you're not supposed to copy them, but take some inspiration and see how you can make your profile really shiny and it should stand out of the other competitors. If you already have a good profile, which means good testimonials and good work experience already, then then your profile is attractive enough for the person who posted this opportunity, and there are higher chances for you to get it. So this is where you get your jobs. This is where you can browse for other opportunities and apply. Of course, you need to write a compelling letter in order to get the job. But once you get a hold of it, once you understand how to communicate, then it becomes easier and easier to get new projects. It can be a recurring job which goes on for say months as well, and it can be a one-off job in which you just get it done, get the item done, and then you deliver it, and then you're able to move on to the next client. These jobs can be small ticket, meaning around $500 per project, which could last, a few days or weeks. And they can be really high ticket projects as well. I have seen people who have put their hourly rates more than even $100 per hour, and they are also able to make really good money out of Upwork. It is important to understand that the income that you might be getting through Upwork may not be always predictable and stable. It is of course not as stable as employment job opportunities. So if you are ready to take that risk, if you are able to manage your expenses well, for example, if you're getting higher income in a certain month, but in the next month you are not getting anything at all, you're able to budget everything. Once you have got a couple of projects, and trust me, that is the toughest stage of being successful on Upwork, is to get the first 1 or 2 projects, the first one especially. So once you have that, then you can also start thinking more about your budgeting. If you are planning to travel along with your work, then you can also look at the expenses that you might be incurring at the new destination. Based on that, you can plan out how much you should be earning from Upwork itself. once you have that budgeting, that could be your next goal. So let's say the expenses at the next destination where you're planning to travel is around say $1,000 per month. So if you are able to get say $1,200 per month or so through Upwork itself, then it's a great target that you will be achieving, because you will have, I'm assuming that you will have some savings, and then on the top of it you are also earning. So based on that you can budget and create your goals, make sure that they go hand in hand in parallel, and then you get more confidence to create your further plans just based on the work that you're getting on Upwork. There will be a certain point in your journey after getting the first few projects when you will be very confident that you will be able to get Upwork projects whenever you desire, and that's when you will be absolutely ready to also travel with work till Nomad. I really hope that you are also able to find some confidence in it. If you have any questions specific to getting started on Upwork, or maybe even other channels to become a digital nomad, feel free to drop me your questions in the comments below. See you in my next video. Bye bye.